In the fast-paced world of packaging and shipping, there's an unsung hero that keeps everything fresh, clean, and secure: the heat sealer. Whether you're sealing fresh meat, medical kits, or high-end electronics, a heat sealer ensures your product stays protected, tamper-evident, and professionally presented. So if you're asking yourself, do I really need one of these? You've come to the right place. Let's break it down, starting with the basics. A heat sealer is a machine that uses heat and pressure to fuse two pieces of thermoplastic together. The result is a clean, airtight seal that locks out air, moisture, and contaminants. Heat sealers come in all shapes and sizes. Some are small tabletop units perfect for low-volume jobs. Others are heavy-duty industrial machines built for non-stop, high-speed production. Most heat sealers work best with plastic films like polyethylene, polypropylene, or PVC. But some models can handle foil, coated paper, or even multi-layered pouches. The material just needs to be thermoplastic or have a heat-sealable layer so it can melt and bond properly. Now, let's talk real-world applications. Heat sealers are used just about everywhere. They help keep food fresh on grocery store shelving, electronics free of dust and static during shipping, and medical supplies sterile until they're opened. You'll find heat sealers used for product packaging, for tamper-evident security, for preserving sterility, for moisture protection, and even for void-fill cushioning in fragile shipments. If something needs to be sealed and protected or preserved, a heat sealer is probably involved. Now that we know what they do, let's talk about the different types. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to heat sealers. The right model depends on your product, your packaging material, and how much you're producing. Impulse sealers are ideal for short runs and lighter materials like polyethylene bags. They only heat up when you press them down, so they're energy efficient and safe for small jobs. Constant heat sealers, on the other hand, stay hot the entire time. They're great for tougher materials like foil and mylar that require constant heat. Vacuum sealers remove air from the package before sealing, which helps extend shelf life and reduce shipping bulk. They're common in food service manufacturing and e-commerce. Band sealers are the go-to for high-volume operations. They create a continuous seal as products pass through on a conveyor belt, perfect for packaging coffee, pet food, and bulk retail items. Portable sealers are compact and handheld. They're great for mobile teams or fieldwork where space and power may be limited. And then you've got tray and clamshell sealers, designed for pre-formed containers used in meal kits, takeout packaging, and retail electronics. Each type serves a different purpose, so it's all about matching the machine to your workflow and your packaging material. So why bother investing in a heat sealer? Because it protects your product, saves you time, and makes your operation more efficient. With the right heat sealer, you can reduce product damage, extend shelf life, deter tampering, and create a clean, professional look for every item you ship. Plus, you'll have more control over your packaging process. You can seal on demand, reduce waste, and handle custom or seasonal packaging without relying on pre-made bags or outsourced labor. And if you're working with high volume, upgrading to an industrial sealer can drastically reduce output while reducing packaging costs over time. In today's world where speed, quality, and product protection matter more than ever, a heat sealer isn't just a convenience, it's a competitive advantage. And whether you need a small benchtop model or a fully automated solution, we're here to help. Reach out to us at Imperial Dade. We'll be your packaging partner and help you find the right machine for your workflow, budget, and packaging goals. Thanks for watching.